We began your LifeVantage business track by talking about your first warm market list. In the days since that training, it's possible you've moved some people on and off your list. Keeping your list current is one of the most productive factors to your success. And this concept, it doesn't just apply to network marketing. Successful professionals in all kinds of industries work hard to keep on top of their lists of contacts. Today, we'll talk about expanding your list. I love the face-to-face, person-to-person nature of network marketing. There's something simple but powerful about just sitting down and sharing with people, whether we've known them forever or we've just met. Your first list undoubtedly included people you knew well, like your family members or your friends. Hopefully, the Memory Jogger worksheet helped you think of folks you might have missed. As you give your brain the assignment to meet people, remember people, and build and add to your list, you'll find yourself thinking of new people all the time. Today, we'll expand your list building skills. Let's start by getting a clean pad of paper to use for your list. Notice I said pad. This is an important transition in your thought process. Have this pad with you throughout the day, whether in your purse, your work bag, your briefcase, and then keep it by your bed at night. Today, we're going to pump up your list a bit by adding extended relationships. Here's what that means. We're going to use the same process that Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and other social media sites use to suggest friends to you. They find people who have friends in common with you, which is a good indicator that you might know them as well, even if you're not that close of friends. Here's how you start your extended list. Go through your existing list of names and pause at each person listed there. Think about the people they know who are people you might know as well. Maybe they're people that someone on the original list introduced to you. On your extended list, make some quick notes. Next to the person you know, write the name of someone they've introduced you to, or the person you know through them. Write down the new person's contact info or your quick plan to get the info, and then write down the reason you thought of them. This gives you two basic entry points for beginning a conversation. You can reference the person you know in common, or you can share the reason you thought of them. Your assignment today is to use this process to expand your list. As you continue in LifeVantage, you'll find that this regular list building process will become a natural part of your day, and it's a critical component of your success. Go through each name on your original list and start to branch out. Try to get to 200 names on your list. This round of your list might include many people you don't know all that well, but you have at least a friend or two in common. Once you're done with this exercise, call your sponsor, let them know how much your list has expanded.